Hello everyone, in this video we are going to fix a dead battery. What battery? A MacBook battery. It have a bad cell, and today we are going to try to replace the cell. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so we have to open the casing. It's going to be hard. It's going to broke the casing like mine, like that. I broke it. So we are going to open it from there. Alright. Alright, when you remove the bad cell, be careful. It is still a battery. It is still dangerous. So remove it carefully, like me. I remove it carefully. My camera just died right there. Alright, now we remove it carefully. Still remove it carefully. Be careful with that. Still be careful. Rain just fallen down right now. So if you hear the sound of rain, it is because it's raining right now. Alright, if you want to separate the cell, you cannot. It is glued super hard. So what you're going to do is just throw it away. It is worthless. So we are going to replace that two cell with a battery, a Redmi 2 battery. I only have one, so I'll only use one. Alright, you can see I'm going to replace that from 2 to 1 cell. Alright, that's my thing, and now I will remove the casing from the battery. Remove it carefully because the battery is still alive. We will leave the BMS intact. Removing it carefully. Be careful, don't break the BMS and don't short it. Careful, and voila. That was the plus, and then that was the minus. Alright, so we are going to solder our battery right now. Alright, the battery didn't work. So now I'm going to disassemble the battery with a sonic fast hand. Assembling, disassembling, disassembling. And we are going to check the voltages with a multimeter. Right, testing it right now. Probing the battery, the wires of the battery. Still searching the problem, and my multimeter is freaking out. And it showed 10 volts. So it should have worked. And now we are going to check. Checking, right? And oh shit. And that wire is shorted. So you know that what this belongs to? A trash. This project belongs to trash. Alright. So thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.